Fräulein Maria? Captain Von Trapp. I'll want you to change before you meet the children. Is this your only dress?
Yes, Captain. When we enter the Abbey, all of our worldly possessions are given to the poor.
And what about this one?
This one? Well, the poor aren't sickening enough for this frock, are they, Captain? Now, where are the children?
Fräulein Maria, I have 7 children, and you have a very important job.
Yes, minding children is very important.
Indeed it is, but you will not be minding my children. You have a very special job. You're here to help me figure out which one of my kids is gay.
Oh, that's perfect for me. I have an amazing gaydar. You know Mother Superior?
Fräulein Maria, I will blow...
Yeah!
I will blow on this very obvious whistle, and my children will come down the stairs and introduce themselves to you one at a time.
I'm Liesel. I'm 16 years old and I don't need a governess.
Well, then we'll just be good friends, girl.
Now, Captain, she is about to lose her virginity to a man, but he's a Nazi.
It's that one. Fräulein Maria, he hasn't even spoken. You can tell without him speaking? Go ahead, son.
I'm Friedrich. I'm 14 years old and I'm a boy.
Yeah, that's the gay one. He's the fag. Are you 100% sure? He's my boy, my baby.
Maria, I love your dress.
See, queerer than a $3 bill. This is Fashion Nova. It's not that nice.
Maria makes me laugh. Can I run upstairs now and see if Liesel's available? I want to ask her if Rolf's coming round again. Last time he was here, he said it's not gay, 'cause I do the sucking. Liesel! Oh, good.
Wow, Fräulein Maria, ask and ye shall receive.
Sounds like something your son would say, Captain.
Fräulein Maria, I just had the wackiest idea. Do you perchance want to hook up? I mean, I do play the acoustic guitar, but
I'm a lesbian. Me and Mother Superior just moved in together.